Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cindy and I make all kinds of beauty content, and I also do exercise videos where I chat with you about my day and just chat with you about things I've seen on YouTube or whatever. And so if that's the kind of thing you like, then please subscribe and be sure and hit the notification bell button because I will be doing a video every day for Vlogmas. Today, we're going to do a makeup haul. These are makeup palettes that I have purchased myself off either ColourPop, Walmart, Amazon, or Ipsy. And I plan on using these during Vlogmas. You've not seen these palettes before. And I'll be using some other palettes that you have seen, but they're not in this haul. So we're going to start off. I've got this big box here full of palettes, okay? And we're just going to go through them. Hopefully I won't do any mess ups. And I've already started this once and had to restart it because I dropped something and tried to find it. And I decided, oh, never mind. I'm just not going to try it. If I drop something, it'll just drop. It's typically these little plastic sheets that go inside of the palettes. But anyway, I'll figure out a way to find them all. The first on the list is this Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. It's called Nouveau. And I picked this off Ipsy. And you have 2 looks coming with these. I've already recorded them, so I know what I've done. So that's the reason there's, you know, swatch marks in there, because I've already recorded this video. Did I like this palette? It was okay. It's a nice neutral palette. I like bright colors, but sometimes I feel self-conscious a lot of the bright colors I wear. Sometimes I get compliments. Sometimes I get weird looks. Anyway, it is what it is. So number 1 is Anastasia Beverly Hills. And these are in no particular order. It's just the order that I am pulling them out of the box. The next one is Natasha Denona, and I guess I forgot her. I picked this up off the Natasha Denona website. They had a sale at the end of October for 15% off, and so I picked up this palette. It is I Need a Nude, and I have not used it yet. I don't even think I've even swatched it yet. So these should be no swatch marks in them. If I did, I just did it for a second, but I don't think I did because I've got some other Natasha palettes that I picked up off of Ipsy, so I kind of know the quality. Okay. This next one I picked up off ColourPop. I probably used the browser extension coupon code for it, but it was $25 off the ColourPop website, and I ordered a couple more palettes with it that were on sale. Now, we get 2 looks without of these, and next year we'll be doing more. But I'm just, for these Vlogmas, I only have time to do 2 looks a palette. So that's the reason you only get 2 looks out of these, because it takes me 2 days to do each video. And so I need to have them all done. And so I'm going to leave this one out because I lost the little plastic thing on it. This next one is, I have been looking at this one. This might have been a mistake. I picked this one up. It was either ColourPop or it was the ColourPop on Amazon. It's Stranger Things. So we're going to have to do some freaky-deaky anti-Christmas, or we'll figure out something. But I plan on using this for Vlogmas. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I haven't used it yet. But it's the ColourPop Stranger Things palette. And, oh, I guess this is a Netflix series. It says Netflix right down here. So they have teamed up with Netflix. Hopefully we'll have something cute. You know, we'll do 2 looks. And if we can't figure something out in January or February, we'll do some more looks. This next one I'm pulling out is another Natasha Denona. I picked this up off Ipsy. I think I paid $25. I saw they had it even cheaper for, and I have used it for a vlog. It is in Vlogmas, and I have used this once. How did I like this? I did it sort of rushed in a hurry. I think that I will like it better the next time I use it, and we will. And this, I think this probably supposed to have a mirror on it, but it doesn't. Maybe it was a second. Maybe that's the reason they're on Ipsy. But I paid $25 for this. And what is the name of this palette? It is called Love Face palette. So you'll be seeing some more. You'll be seeing this in Vlogmas, and you'll be seeing this some more next year. This next one is some rainbow eyeliners. I have not opened these. I like to use the eyeliners better than eyeshadow under my eyes because the eyeshadow seems to smudge and smear and stuff. So anyway, I've been waiting to do the haul before I could start using these. So we have these eyeliners. These just came from Amazon. They was inexpensive. So 12 colors, and so we can use these for lips or for eyes. These are retractable gel liners because I do not like pencil liners because I don't like the wood. It scratches and stuff. Okay, let me get a drink. This next palette, I'm planning on using it for something on Vlogmas. Not sure what, probably, but it's a Silent Night. This is from Gourmand Girls. It might have been from last year. I don't know exactly when it was. I bought it on sale on their website, and I have not used it yet. I don't even think I've swatched it. See, it's covered up. These little white squares, those cover some kind of shimmer. So I'm just going to leave those on, and we will see what it's like whenever we do it. Looks like we've got a lot of dark blue, brown, green, and then silver. So this is called Silent Night from Gourmand Girls. So we'll be doing something with that. So here's some eyelashes. I really did like these once. I'm getting kind of tired of them, but anyway, I liked them when I bought them, and here they are in my batch of stuff with the pencils. Now here's something interesting. I picked this up off Walmart when I was out shopping. This is from Profusion. Look at that. This is the Harry Potter collection. They had a kit with a bunch of other stuff in it, but when I looked at it, I did not like the palette, and so I didn't get it. It just, anyway, if you go, you can see it. It just had like 4 or 5 dark colors in it, and it had some eyelashes, and it had like a little bitty bottles of something, and I didn't like the palette, and I thought I didn't need that other stuff, so I just got this one. This was like $14 or $15. These are the colors. I've not swatched it or anything, but we're going to be using 2 looks with this palette during Vlogmas. And while I was at it, I have no idea if this is any good or not. I picked up some setting spray, so we'll see this. I've been wanting to try Profusion, so what a good way. It looks like it's got little shiny things in it, and it's Time Illuminating Setting Spray is what it's called. So what's this here? I got some kind of ColourPop Fresh Kiss Orange Vanilla Lip Mask. They might have given me this for free for purchasing. I assure you I didn't pick it out and pay for it. But it was, so we got some lip masks. We might try that this month. I'm going to go ahead and leave that out. I might try it tonight. Who knows? Next, then we've got this. I'm not sure exactly what this is. We're going to see. After I see it, I'll know where I bought it. Probably Amazon. This might have been what I was waiting on. Okay, this is Villain's palette from Wet n Wild. This was not very expensive. It was over $10. It might have been $10, $12, $13 off Amazon. And they just had a few of these left, but I wanted us... Anyway, you'll find out when we get going with Vlogmas, but we're going to be doing a couple looks with this palette too. I don't know if you can see the colors. You can see part of them. I'm not going to open it just yet because it has a seal and everything, but you will see it during the... you will see it at Vlogmas. I have not opened it yet or anything. Now, here are some gel lip liners that are retractable. I got these because, like I said, I do not like pencils. I don't like having to sharpen them. I don't like that they scratch my eyes and my lips. And so I got me some gel liners from Amazon to go with my other gel liners. So here's another palette. This came from Amazon. Let's see which one it is. This might have been one we was waiting on. I had to wait a couple of weeks to film this. Let me get some scissors because I was waiting on one and I didn't want to miss one. I don't think I'm going to buy any more. I think I've got enough to finish the Vlogmas, and if we have to use one that you guys have already seen, then that's what we'll do. Here's one, a palette. This is called The Nightmare Before Christmas. And so I'm not going to open it. It's sealed up. This is from Wet n Wild. So, it came from Amazon. I don't know if it was from the Wet n Wild store or not, but anyway, we will be doing a couple of looks with these during Vlogmas. Okay, here's another one. It looks like I've opened it up and looked at it, but that's all. We've not used this one yet. This one came from ColourPop, either their site or the Amazon store. I don't really remember which. But we will be doing a video with 2 looks with this palette. We'll see how we like it. I've not swatched it or anything yet. It comes in real cute packaging, and you know, after we use it, I'll tell you more about how I like it or don't like it. As far as the ColourPop, you know, they're not as nice as you know, the luxury brands or even some of the indie brands, but they are affordable. Okay. Now this next palette, I purchased this from ColourPop. I think I got it on Labor Day sale or something, but I have not used it, and you guys have not seen it. This is the Twilight palette. And so you'll be getting 2 looks with these, and then all these palettes, we're definitely going to revisit them next year, because I'll be planning some looks. I'm not, you know, I have to think of a series. I'll get Copilot to help me think of some series to you know, pull up our old palettes, because I just cannot afford to buy a new palette every week, especially the indie brands. Now, if I was on the PR list, that would be different, but I'm not. So we just have to get what we really like and then use what we got next. Now, the next palette was come from ColourPop, and I purchased this off the ColourPop site. I do recall this one. I think I bought it. I don't know. I mean, I did buy this off their site. And they also have this on Amazon, too. I think I got about $5 off. This is Sweet as Can Be. Winnie the Pooh. You'll be getting 2 looks with this, and we'll be using this. Here's a really good work, you know, neutral. You can do it, and they're real light. They're kind of light, so if you don't like dark, you'll like this. I don't even recall how buildable they are. They're just light. So if you like things that are light, you'll like it. So you'll be getting 2 looks with that palette, and we'll go over it again in 2026 also. What do we got here? Okay, this one here is Natasha Denona. This is a baby gold. Did I like it? I don't know. It was okay. We're going to try it again. I don't know that I particularly loved the look that I made, but you know, I can try it again. And every time you try something, it gets a little bit better. So this will be a look. You know, this came in nice Christmas packaging, like a little Christmas tree ornament. So, you know, if you like Natasha Denona, you should like that. Anyway, I've got it in the box now. I probably can put it up now. I don't need to keep the packaging since you guys have already seen it. I have already done my look with that. That's one of the first few days. But this is baby gold. So if you like gold, this is the, no, they've got the big gold palette for $62. And this is like a baby one. I think it's $19 on their site. I think I paid $12 for it from Ipsy site. And yesterday on the 11th, they had a big sale. And I thought they had it for $6.99. But I already had it. I didn't need it. The next one is, I've not done anything with this one yet. This is the Brat from ColourPop. I either got this off Amazon or the ColourPop site. I forget what I got when. I might have swatched this, but I have not used it yet. But there'll be 2 looks coming with this palette on Vlogmas. And you will see why once you start watching the films, what I've got planned for these. What else do we have? Got a receipt. Got one more. Our last one. I forgot. We'll have to count and see how much stuff we got. And some of them, I've already done a couple that were with palettes that you'd already saw. So even if this is not 25 palettes, I think Vlogmas is traditionally up to Christmas, 25 days, but some people do 30 days. We'll just wait and see how I feel after this. So, because I've not really had any rest, and I've not really got to do any November looks either. Ooh, this is another Wet n Wild called Villains. I picked this up off of eBay. No, did I say eBay? Amazon. And so it came in for me, and it looks to me our box is empty now. We don't have anything left. We're going to need 2 looks with this too. How many did I have? So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ooh. Well, and then I've got 2 more, that's 16, 17. So, and then I've got some Vlogmas videos that are not makeup. They're makeup videos related, but they're not makeup. So we will, like for instance, this is a Vlogmas video. So, but we're going to definitely have 25 videos. And thank you for watching. Give me a like, give me a subscribe, and be sure and hit the notification bell button so that you can see the rest of my videos. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.